Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up at frenchiestamps.com. Today it's the last of my Christmas around all year long, so it was 12 months of Christmas. I started that last January. I will have the link below for the supplies and so on for the card that I'm sharing today, and also you're going to have all 12 months. So here was one. And my goal was to use everyday stamp set to get people to start their Christmas card early. So when they arrive in December like this month, they were not so stressed they had some done. So a lot of them are using all of them are using at least one of everyday stamp set. I had to amplify like the greeting, but you see the snail here. Another one. Now here, this one, it's the same, it's just two different sides, and all of it, they're all on my blog with After the Storm, the calendar, and embossing folder, the pretty flower, welcoming window, the little bear, count on me. And today I'm gonna wrap this up with Christmas in the South. How perfect it is now that I am, after all, living in the South, right? It's not everybody that got the evergreen or that gets snow on the ground for Christmas. Even people up north, a lot of time we didn't have snow on the ground at Christmas. So let me share this very tropical Christmas. So we're going to start with a piece of cardstock Whisper White that measures 5 1/4 by 4. I like to do the sand first. I'm using my old scrap paper here. I just tear a piece of paper. Now we're going to put that at the bottom. Oh, not quite halfway, just about. It doesn't matter. Really, go where you want. I'm using crumb cake. I'm going to use blends, and I like to use at the top. You can see I like to start at the top, and I'm going down. And the reason I don't want it to have like the circle like here that you get. Now we're gonna just keep on going down here. After I get my line, then I can come around. And this is crumb cake, okay? Crumb cake ink. Here we go. That looked pretty good. It don't seem a lot, but wait, when I remove the paper, you're going to be shocked. It's quite a bit more than it looked like. Here we go. Boom! Now we got where the ocean starts, and then the whole thing going to be the ocean. I'm not doing the sky. It's going to be the view of the ocean. Now we're going to use, I use Balmy Blue on this one and Moonlight, Misty Moonlight for the greeting. Now I want to try it with Coastal Cabana. So I got Coastal Cabana right here. And many people ask me, do I have a blend, a brush, the brush for every color? No. I get one in the blues, one in the brown, and the similar color. I just wipe before I start another one and then go with it. Now this one here, we're going to go from the bottom up for this. So I'm going to just go lightly. And someplace, see, I just do a bit. Like the little white cap or the little cap there, see, just a little bit. I don't do the whole line because I don't think it's, here we go, here, then I get a splash there. Then we're going to go over here, do a bit more. I just go randomly, see, here and there. And that, for me, that is enough. And the reason why it's, as you look at the ocean, it looks more calm further down, and closer, that's where you get the wave. So now, I think I just inked my Coastal Cabana there. Okay, now I'm going to bring some color down. I go right on top of this. That's about right. Here we go. Now we're going to take our 3, and then I'm doing the thumping technique. I don't know if you remember that. So I'm going to go ahead with shade of spruce, and then we're just going to do the palm. Well, here we go. Now I got the palm. I got something sticky someplace. You know what? We can remove this. Here we go. Now we're going to use, this is shade of spruce, and then this one, that's shade of spruce. I need my other one. I need evergreen. So I want a darker color. So I'm taking the brush side, and the name, it is stumping, right? So we just stump. So that's going to give us different color in our palm branch. Now that we get that, I forgot my card base. 1 second. Because we need the card base too. So let me move that there. We won't have the card base ready. You're going to understand in a minute. Okay, now I'm using Early Espresso marker. This is not blend. This is the marker. Blend don't transfer, okay? Here we go. You cannot stamp on your red rubber or any stamp with blends. It's really the color. Now I'm going to huff on this because, you know, I talk, and then we're going to stamp that right here. Lift it up, and you can see the different tone in there. Now we're going to take the inside of our card. We won't re-ink. Off on it again, and then stamp. So you can have 2 stamps with 1 image. See, it's lighter inside, and then you can see the different tone also. At the bottom, I just used a little bit of my crumb cake there. Oh, I need a little bit more. Let's add a bit more. Okay, I don't want to get that sheet all dirty yet. Just a little bit of the ground there. Here we go. It's just a glow there. Now we're going to stamp our Merry Christmas with Coastal Cabana. So let's go ahead and do our Merry Christmas with Coastal Cabana. And all the stamp set and so on that I'm using, it's all going to be on my blog. You get the direct link right below. Now we're going to take our Merry Christmas and smash that right here. Voila. And we're going to use the Wink of Stella. I'm using Wink of, oh, before the Wink of Stella though, this little dots, it's from Color Contour, and I'm using crumb cake, just a little bit of that sand. And one more thing, I don't like that the tree just float that way, so we're going to use that, this, put that right there. And then where is my crumb cake? Right here. And we're going to go just under the tree there. So it's kind of stuck in the sand there. Oops. Et voila. See, now I got more of that darker sand there. Here we go. Okay. Take the Wink of Stella, and we're going to flicker it. So take your wink, and with your cap, just on the sand. Even if it's some on the water, that's okay. But that give a little bit of sparkle for Christmas season. And I bet on the camera, in the video, you don't see much, but you get that, all that little nice sparkle there. Now, the layer, it's what I like, it's a tiny layer. So I recommend tumble glue for that, so we can move it. This piece here, it's 4 1/8. It's time to put another one. 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Now we're going to put that right here. See, it's just a tiny, tiny little border. So you saw I wiggle it a bit. That's what it's nice with the tumble. It gives you a chance to move it around if you're not straight the first time. Now we're going to do the same thing with this layer here. And I'm going to put that right here. See, when it dries, it's a lot lighter, right? Now we're going to flip it in the back. I like to go in the back so then I don't slide my paper when it's where I want it. Et voila. So now we finished the 12 months of Christmas, or Christmas year-round, with a Christmas in the South. Inside this, I'm going to stamp may the beauty of the season bring you joy and warm memories to cherish throughout the year. I thought that was the perfect one, and I used this Christmas, the warm there. That is it, my friend. I hope you enjoy my 12 months of Christmas year-round. Again, all the 12 months are right below in the link, also with the supplies for this card. Thank you so much, and have a lovely day. Merry Christmas, my friend. Bye-bye for now.